Yeah, man, here we are going. So, is it because me I line up certain things for you, for me can have everything at one place? Me I gonna have choices. Choices part one and part two. So enjoy them, alright? And tell me what going.
Hello, good evening. Give me a minute there time.
Good evening.
So you wanna walk?
I'm alone, man, so I'm alone. What we expect?
Yeah. See, I walk from this to by myself around
Yeah.
I'm gonna check on in the.
Check me? For what?
You mean, so we can't get to know you.
No, I'm not friendly. I'm not keep friend.
I'm not gonna be a friend, man. I have a relationship with them. I want to build something with it.
Yeah, how much?
You know more about that.
No, I need to know yeah, how much.
Yeah.
Because as far as
Listen,
me
listen.
see, you look like you're a little boy. And you see me like big man, me like rough man. Me no want a little boy. Me no want no up to ticklish me.
Yeah,
Because me no like laugh.
you mean you talk about ticklish. You see size of my foot? 12 and a half that thing. Small like chop down big tree, baby.
Well, as I say, little boy is not my type.
You mean look about?
Me not like the little boy thing.
Be a teacher and principal, me talk to you.
Well, me is not a teacher, me is not a principal, me is a bad girl, and bad girl like bad man.
You think so me soft?
You're
You see
too
me there?
young.
It's an age adjustment number.
Well, me think about it and stuff, so. You know,
I'm
later.
phone right now, me take your digit.
Well, next
Alright,
time.
you can text me.
Alright, since you insist.
804 3960.
Alright. So, me call you and me message you.
Make sure you link me.
Alright.
I pray. Dude, so I just book a new girl, dude.
Eh? Which part?
A nice slim as me always see her walk from up the road.
Oh, so you get your number, everything?
No, me never have my phone for me, so me give her my number.
Yeah, I start for a long time, you know, so I know you get
School,
you,
man,
you know?
school. So you depend.
They are going easy, you know?
Yeah, man.
And after my boy them, they do me a little food, so
Oh, so give me a thing man, man, yeah, so.
buy a drink, son.
See, alright. So I can always use this buy more drink.
Yeah, can't do that, man.
You know something no soft. Yo, big woman in a brother. And you know little pick me. You see me? Like me tell you say you can't chat to a girl younger than you. If you have a big woman them, you see me? You're steady. And a young girl will run up and down. You see me?
My youth, what you do, you know? Cause you see them girl, yeah? You just want to feel money. You not no money.
No worry about that, man.
Yo.
Style and pattern.
Them girl are trickster, brother. You have to watch how you do. But watch you know, if you don't get through with her, find out if she's a sister or no cousin.
You know, we are real dream, I check it.
That's a party here.
But I want me to worry about still if she go short, man.
You shout, brother.
I'm like, I believe you. But you know, me have something to do with them here.
You know, say, as I said that, you know, say, me have another piece of food to collect.
No, serious.
Yeah, man, we link here. I go back me.
Yeah.
Hello. Ashaka. You can't come check me now? Yeah, me I wait for you. Alright.
What going?
You there?
I just come from that town and say would I get a link.
Oh, so you good?
Good man. So, what all this? Papaya, pine, melon? You been up something?
Yeah, but I want to do that. So, what will the company of do?
I just go buy 2 things down in that town and pharmacy. You know.
So, yeah, we are there. Go, no, go.
I go up here, so just say me come talk to you a little bit.
Oh.
So, what is happening up? Juice?
I want to make a fruit salad.
Ooh, fruit salad fancy. Yeah, treat yourselves. Nice. Is that it? Okay. So what's up on all these things? Well, so sometimes I treat myself too. You know?
So you say you soon go up?
Soon go best. Me probably want a piece of that papaya. Yeah. I can't get a piece.
Girl, you not as much. Have to me and my man.
Man? You know say I meet somebody.
Well, I'm my time now.
Good girl. There's a thing wrong with that. So, as somebody want me know?
No, nobody will you know.
Okay. You be secretive about it, man. You must really like him.
Yeah, he's a nice guy.
Okay. So in that area you meet him or down in that town?
I can't say that.
Okay. So, girl.
So, where say I don't know? I'm going to try to service something here.
Why? I just go grab one of them pieces, you know.
You can grab your and go now, because see some that really low falling.
Alright.
Hey babe.
Oh,
I'm there.
yes, you make fruit salad for me.
Yeah babe. Like you come the right time. As it finish. So you have to go here now, you know, because
How would I?
I'm a little friend, but she are going now. She are going now.
Nice meeting you.
Alright. Let me see how much.
Hey. Remember say we need to no strong term yet. We just try to get to know each other, so let's just go in our room, talk, and sort out things.
In my room.
So, we just did make a little something for you. And I hope you enjoy it. So now, what do you do for a living?
No, I'm a purchasing manager though for Discovery Spring Water.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa, that's good. So you're not just a young man, you're a hard-working young man.
Yeah, but me just humble.
I realized you're not too fussy and stuff. Hope you keep it up.
Yeah, man.
And listen now, you see if me and you
Yeah.
are going in one relationship, you know see you have to do what a man do. And you see this little boy thing, if you do nothing, you're going to make
Yeah, man,
everybody...
I depend that, man.
You know depend that, and you're going to make everybody know, listen. Remember, so we just start small, we start off very secretive. Me no need everybody in our business.
Yeah.
So the little boy when me used to see you with, sometimes I go tell if I tap par with them, but me no want them in my business.
Yeah, man, them man they good, man. To tell them man them business.
Okay, so as me say, if you can do what a man do, you have to go man up and down and stand up to your responsibility. But me still think about it because my type of man I don't live there with no young boy. But because me still say you have a little potential in you and stuff, me decide I say, alright, sometimes we have to just try new things. So let's see how it work. So but I get your hooks up, you know. I still try to get to know you. If you disappoint me, I will drop you.
I'm not cut you still, but when me they are my yard, you know, I see how my parents they move and they two of them they in a bed all the while, amount of time here look a son. You see me? And me they live loving, and somehow I may live. So amount of time I can come over, sleep over here and sit.
Here I know. I don't have no problem with you coming over and sleep. But here I know, no. Yes, if you want to come over and sleep, you have to help pay bills too. Because, you understand, bills have to pay. So if you come over and stay, you want...
I understand, man. My father always tell me, say, one hand can't clap.
Right?
You understand? So, me understand.
Okay, and that, me hear you talk about, me hear you look moan. I hope you don't see you go tell a friend them
no,
you
sir.
hear no moan.
No, tell
how
me.
she a go on, because I don't show off Anthony, you know. And, you see, if me do make up my mind, if you give you some, you're not going to ram, because me that they look up in the style. You have to know if it's slow wine,
yeah,
take
man,
time and
you know if
good
they
on
the
the night.
romance thing, you know?
Okay.
Yeah.
You have to take me a little time and good on the night and make me feel good too. And all if you enjoy yourself, you know. And, me know why you start me and be overprotective or too controlling. Me know the style.
Another good thing when me thinking of media talk about.
Yes, me tell you with the picnic style, what kind of good on you know? You don't know what me I talk?
Well, I like them the argument, you know.
You must know what you like.
I'm gonna tell prolong them the argument, you know.
So what on? You tell me if me want it, me can't get it.
Let me say me not do. Me not prolong them argument, that's when I bring the argument there to me.
I hear you, sir. So eat up your fruit, them and you can go home and...
And a joke me I making.
Me hear you. You know if you get in your feelings. Gosh.
So what you do? What you do?
Me? Well, you know, I got my little call center work and stuff.
Which department that?
Sales management. Yeah.
So that one of my sister then do too?
That's good. And then pain are really bad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyways, me no want no more of this.
Right.
But you say no I'm a stalk you. So I give you space. Come on, as I say you want to take it slow. I understand.
Alright then. You can call me if you when you reach up if you're
Yeah man, me I show you.
Alright.
Alright.
Hey mommy.
How on?
I'm there.
How are you do?
I just gonna eat some fruits, my boyfriend.
Your who?
My boyfriend.
Boyfriend, okay. So, going there, you ain't even there now? Or you gone?
Just leave.
Okay. So what's up differently? What's up? Why you look so boring now? What?
No, mommy, me not worried. Me alright, man.
Why you look so pale? You're pregnant?
No, mommy, me alright.
Mind you hide something from me.
No, mommy, sweet, me alright.
How we go again? I saw them test to see if you're not pregnant. Let me see if you're on a beat. Yes, so your pulse.
So what you do?
I want to know if you're pregnant, you know, because I would nothing. Out of my grandchild. I want to say the right father get it, you know?
No, I just want to get some rest now because I'm up from morning, so I just want to get some sleep now.
So you want to get some rest?
Yeah, mommy.
That sound like you're breathing.
Mommy, I want to tell you negative thought them.
So if somebody breathe that negative?
Yeah, mommy.
Alright, go and go lie down. Don't make it bother you, man. Don't worry yourself. But any you feel for anything, just call me phone. Me carry it over for you.
Yeah, mommy. Yeah, I can't like say me sick.
You say you have man. Me can't wait to meet that the man there.
Mama, when the right time come, yeah, rush things so.
When the right time come. May we wait, but don't make it be too late. Me gone. Take care of yourself.
Yeah, mommy.
Okay. Alright. So me can walk this on good,
Yeah, you can.
Alright. Thanks, here.
I change things and all that.
You know, I come back already that I'm gonna make people study me.
That's true. But anyways, where they pan?
They are normal.
Boy, you know, it's tomorrow I mash her work to me do. I'm just a forward from over my yard. And she tell me say she want to take things slow. I mean, you know that. I'm going to go over there go sleep tonight. So I want to go over there. You have a mask. You always got.
Brother, what you talk about? Right now, I don't understand what you talk about. I'm confused. Because right now, you tell me say, you just come from over my yard. And you say you want to take time. Kind of thing that you talk about. I don't understand what you talk about. That.
Me no depend on the slow business, brother. You know me as a man, chop and go through. You know some stay. So me no know where you ready?
What you want me to do?
When you go over there, go rough her up. Make she get afraid. Make she call me. So you can stay with me.
Oh, you're not easy, you know, boy. You see you, you know kind of foolish I keep up in there. Because you just tell me, say, you want big woman. What do you tell me, say you want big woman and you want to change things now? I know you want me go over there, go rough her up.
Brother, just do what I tell you to do. No? You don't want to do it or you don't want to do it? You want to do it? Brother, come with the question. Me ask if you do something. Tell me yes or no. You go in the details. Me tell you something already. You do it?
I don't do badness, man.
Matter of fact, I know more you do it, brother. So forward. Walk up, no brother, you see.
Hold on, man. Yo, the woman they are falling. Can make a money on foreign.
Do it. But me nah no mask.
You're good, man. Yo, me everything don't move, man.
Where you hold on for me so far? Who you? Stop, where you can me go? Where you want me?
Oh,
Eh?
Stop in night, man. Me say
Wait,
give me everything. Yo, me not like excitement. Me say give me everything.
So me go give you hold on for me hand. You know say one money me have and me not eat nothing from
Give
morning.
me talking, man.
I want $500 me have.
I really 500 you carry on the road.
$500 me have and me not eat from.
Oh, but you have some security, you know.
No. No carry me over there. No carry me over there. The good house there. If you want me, you better you carry me in the bush where the ants and the courage them there. No. Carry me go in the bush where the courage and the ants them there. Better me give you in there so. No, wait. Me not tell you who that they come down there so police.
Yo, go on there, go man. Yo, roll up.
But I really them thing here do.
Come on, brother. Remember to have another mission to go on.
Yeah, so.
That's a 40.
Yeah, so now I deal with this thing. So watch you know. I do it on front.
Yo, pull this up.
How that?
Pull this up.
How that?
Yo, pull it down, man.
Who is that?
Yo, don't move.
Jesus, how would that? What's up? Toga? Oh God, Toga! Where they? Me just hear one man come and lick me door like he want lick down my door. Me open the door, me see man mass up. You need to come right now because me scared, me afraid. Me not feel like me want to stay here alone. Just hurry up because me really afraid. Hurry. Alright. Mommy, oh my God, Mommy, me say me there, lie down, and me hear bam 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 on my door.
What you say?
When me look, Mommy, I want man, me see mass up. Mommy, me afraid, Mommy.
If I so be the case, don't open up the door. Keep your door shut.
Afraid, Mommy. What you say?
Girl, if you ever know what nearly happened to me on the avenue, one short, thick, fat boy, hugging her backside, nearly raped me.
Jesus, you nearly get up. Yes, the man, he is short and he's stout. Yes, and him in a one red shirt. Yes, Mommy, I him same one. Jesus, please, we have to go call the police. Oh, God.
And he take away my money, the one money we me have, he take away $500. And me no eat nothing. The boy nearly raped me. Yes. He nearly raped me. Me have to trick him and tell him if he look down there, say if a police a come and so comes and run and start allowed to rape. The boy hugging her backside. No, sir. I'm afraid to walk back on that road there. You know what I notice with some of them? They don't want to walk. They don't want to walk. And they watch out if woman them and nice and sexy and they pass and want to come take them and haul them away. They want to come carry me over good nice house. But he want to come carry me in a house. I not used to them the nice house there. So I just tell a little dirty ugly monkey say if he come carry me go in the bush with the courage and the hands them there. I prefer give me this, but I trick him. And then I'm not joking with it.
So wait, Mommy, make sure you're safe.
When I reach when I call you, I still up on the road, but not that the avenue. Then me tear up. Hey, you saw me tricky boy? Shut off that you bullet.
Alright, we have to go call the police. We just call my boyfriend and he say ma come. Oh my God, Mommy. Make sure you're safe. Make sure you're there in your house. Lock the door them, lock the window them, check them, Mommy. Oh my God. Hurry. Alright, Mommy.
Alright. No open up your door for nobody at all. You mad? And you don't know what there? Alright then. Yes, me call you. Alright.
Oh, that.
I told her, man, and me, baby. Okay, man, no boy can this me, no. No boy can make two calls right now. Because I don't understand.
Yo, bad bro. They say Ian, right?
Yeah, man. Right now, I just say yes, my girlfriend and nigga just come a barge in our house, you what? Yeah, man, me have a link around the yard, me there, you know, so me have forward on the front. Yeah, man, make she calm down and I'm forward on the front.
Alright. Yeah, forward now.
Oh, no, see her.
Who that I just call?
I want to feel my boy then. What do you say? Good?
No, me scared and then just nearly my mother.
Your mother?
Yes, she said she a walk on the road and the same man we come lick pan with the same day and one red shirt and one black mask. And he shot and he stout.
Calm down, man, calm down. Me there now. My things say me young. Links strong in the street. Whole heap of links me have. Watch it now. And from boy I check me on the front. Just stay here so me forward.
Just hurry up.
Alright.
Take up the key and walk, lock the door from outside.
Alright. Boy, she in the free right now.
So just go and go do right
that
now.
never do, but respect still.
Fully.
Respect. You soon get a look at things still. I'm boy.
We connect up.
Alright, I can't cook. Let's sleep on the app.
Fully.
Babe. Babe. Make up on the road and forward back. Make up on the road and forward back.
What time now?
Don't even know.
6:30, we have go so early.
No, I have to go up on the road to go pay some bills. Come back.
Alright.
Alright.
Yes, mommy. Eh? Yeah, the pan we are come now. Oh, you're so rich. Alright.
Yes, Jaja.
Go on.
I pray.
Let me catch you right time when you're shelly down.
You want some? Very good.
No, something good, man. Boy, last night work out good.
Right,
So,
man.
what you do last night with the woman? A regular thing?
No, brother. This for me even have nothing for me. To protect myself. I'm hungry, brother, and I just a hustle you, you see me?
But anyways, a year thing you do still, but me not like that. You see me? But a year thing still where you do house, I don't start the food. But me just give you advice.
True,
I
man.
don't think they're right.
Long time I do it still, so. Because what you know? If me never did that do, when me that do, you know, you would get a woman. Because me, make you get a woman.
Fair enough. Like, fair enough.
You see me?
That's true.
You owe me a favor.
Yeah, man, yes, man. You're one, you know.
So just do it right.
Tell me down, you just check me.
Me will do it right. Then I go and sell them some food. You see me?
Me soon link you later still.
You want more mission?
No, man, I link mama later too.
Do it right.
There.
Not what you do, because they will come up in a people house, you know, like, say they live here.
So what now?
Why, my daughter? Last night was such a rough night for the two of we. God save me. And God save you too. You're lucky you never opened the door. My daughter, how the two of us also? It look like we have to go a river and dump. If you go wash off the clothes, start this half away.
Sir.
Master God. When you hear the knocking, how you feel?
Me say, mommy, me day in here, lie down. Say, alright, me go call my boyfriend. Me hear knock on the door, so me feel see him. Then me hear boom, boom, boom. So me frightened now, me I say, no sir, this no sound right. So me gonna know, cause me kinda afraid to open the door. So me take me little time now and open it. So me say, man, me see mass up. Me have to hurry up and lock back the door. If me never lock the door like me not come, me have to.
Jesus. I wonder if I the same man. When they try to hold me down and take me away.
How you look?
You know what I say? Me not tell no lie. Me not see face him because he in a one mask and he short and
Mask.
thick. Yes.
What color mask?
He look like I want dark blue
Yes,
mask.
me I see him one and he short and dark same way.
God almighty.
And he no stout,
Yes,
and
he
him
stout.
see him one moment.
But one slim youth did it with him. But the slim youth never do nothing. Him go one side, but the way me get nervous, but me have to heart brave enough, cause you know me stay ready. Me have to dey use me head pan the boy and tell him to carry me going at the bush where the cow each and the ants nest them there. And me we give him this so. As so comes, he ready to go with me in a bush. Then me trick him and say police they come down the road. So me have his shut off.
Slim you.
I shot me shut off like a bullet.
Hey,
He couldn't catch me.
So you
Not
say,
even you seen bolt no fast like me.
Yes,
Me
I
run
see
left
you.
you boy. The same him same one and the same description you they give me.
but I know Slim you never come and want stout, you come knock bang bang in door right
I
there.
not tell no lie on the next one. He not touch me. At the short one. He take away all the $500 we me did have. Me no eat nothing from him and me they tell him say I have to buy something for eat. He take it from me. But you see true me want my life is spare and me no want him kill me off. Me give him the $500. So you see anywhere they go in our life, no key I could have even $1 million you pay for one phone. Give them it. Because that's one life you have. God will give you back many more money. No follow them and go like your bad. Give them, take off everything. If I have in your drawers, give them it.
But mommy, me have to go call back me Tugger then man because
Because when you give them everything what you have what they want upon you, maybe they will spare your life. When you go like your bad, and
Then
want
kill you.
then kill you. So give them. And sometimes when they take away people things like that, you know, they don't live for long, you know. And they don't live for inherit it. So don't worry yourself. Me thank God God was right there in the middle. Nothing happened to me.
Yes, sir.
And they don't get to come in come do nothing in here.
me say me heart there me mouth mommy. But guess what me have to go do now? Me have to go call Tugger and tell him say I never one
Your
of them
heart?
are two.
So your heart did there your mouth?
Yes, mommy, when they come in like they want to kick off the door.
So how your heart go back which party did they where God put it?
Hey, me no know when they come like a God put it back.
Hey,
But-
Jesus.
Mommy, what me have to go do, me have to go call Tugger and tell him say number one or two of them can say I go deal with it.
To who?
My boyfriend, mommy, you talk like you don't know who me talk.
Me never see that the boy there, you know, me go hear you talk about him all the while. That Tugger war I hate.
Mommy, you go just pass him out the road.
What you
because-
saying him?
Tugger, you go just pass him out the road because just leave.
In just pass.
Just pass it out there so.
While me they come inside.
Mm-hmm.
But when me they come in the house, me not see nobody unless up on the road. Backside. You know, say when me they come in. A matter of fact, before me reach at the gate, me pass one tall, slim youth they go out. But enough people walk on the road with tall and slim and dark. I not happy him. I not happy him. But me see somebody when me a come, when me not take notice of people face and not come in and like look on people too long, then go feel say I sick me they pray them out for go do to them. Cause you know hurt runnings you know. We have to be careful how we look on people, how we talk about people and what we do to one another on this ground here.
But
Cause this a really not pretty. So my daughter, me need you to take care of yourself. And you see at night time when they got your bed in the name of Jesus pray. Ask God to cover you. And the next time, let me tell you something, me know say you a big woman now, you know. But me no born no idiot. Me no grow no idiot. And me no teach you to come up like no idiot. So the next time when you hear people they knock your door, especially overnight, how the hell you fi hear door they knock and you just can't open up door?
Mommy,
You hear the voice of this Maddie?
yeah, me hear this up need.
Then you did know that device there before?
No.
See there you gone wrong. Next time, you worse or you don't know device, do not open it. And if it's possible, don't even answer it like you're dead. Take care of yourself.
Learn, just take care of yourself.
Come give me a hug, cause guess what? Me have some dirty clothes down on the yard there. Then I saw, you know from when me no wash? Shh, me no want you tell nobody, me no know soap and me no wash them and dash me, I go dash it. How that then?
Oh, B. How are you, mommy? How are you? How are you going, so?
Who him? Where you know him from?
Where you going, so, mommy? B, where you come turn? What happened, yes, sir? What happened, yes, sir? Somebody explain something to me now. Mommy, why you behave so? Mommy, meet my boyfriend meet my mother.
Yo who? Jesus Christ.
Mommy, why you behave
Watch
like
out.
that?
Whole bumper take me body. Where you know them kind of people you're from?
I first.
Mommy, calm down. What wrong? Explain to me why you going so.
My use the bathroom and come back, yeah?
No, we are use bathroom for our this. You don't just come here.
No, take a leak.
No, you just come.
No.
What happened, man? Somebody explain to me.
You can give me a drink of water?
Mommy, just start now.
Are you who?
Me boyfriend. Jesus. What happened? Say something.
The same boy. Him. Me see with the same short one.
I know me.
Hello, make sure talk now, make sure talk. Make sure talk. Where you say, mommy? Can you talk about short one and something happened last night and my head kind of
Shut up. My daughter. Is this your man?
Yes, mommy. We're not mommy man, but we've been dating for a while now.
You sure say you want him to be your man?
We are working on that, mommy.
You're working on Wara? This a boy, yeah. Him same one. Me take me 2 years where God Almighty give me. Me use them and see him that same time when the short thick boy in the mask come and hold me up. Take with me $500 one can me go in a bush where courage hands there. Figure go do right with me.
Wait.
This boy, I tell you that this boy never tried to touch me. But in the day, he stand up one side and I look.
Check.
The boy stand up one side and I look. He must know that short boy in the mask. And the two of them me see how I come down the road. He never touched me as me tell you before. But he must know the boy. I'm friend or family, me don't know. But he know him.
Hello. What she talk about?
If for your man, what you say? You know, I walk panny. You and him and work panny if you be your man. Nobody work panny. Tap work panny and I get no pay, no work. Anyway I work and not get no pay, nobody work.
What she talk about? What she talk about?
Listen, it's a main road. Remember, say it's a main road that, you know. What? Me didn't even know that man there. Swear. First, me I see him from me I walk on that stretch there. I know me always sit down on that stretch.
Jesus.
But wait,
Zip
mommy.
up that lip there.
Wait,
Your tongue is a lying tongue.
Wait, mommy.
Speak the truth.
Wait.
It was you.
Wait there, mommy. Wait. Tell me now. Me know you know my mother because you know me from around. You say a long time I live around.
No.
So I listen now. You say man, I rob my mother and you stand up and me call you after that and you come in here and you just say no and you can't tell me about a road. You're stupid.
Get him out of here.
You know what?
Me never see.
Yes, me telling about you look boy. I see something me talk about you know.
Ode. Shh. You shut up for your mouth, you know. Kind of for me grow, you know. What kind of cross is this you carry in your life? If you can't kill off you and me.
Me disappointed in you, me not lie.
I don't know if him and this boy always do them thing there, you know, because me they tell you the truth, he never touch me. But me don't know if him at the head one and he send him out to go work. Me don't know if him at the head and he have the next one the work and send him to go do his job and then he care about money can't give.
So why you stand up beside him then and then come in here?
Me never stand up beside him.
You sleep in here and pretend like nothing never happened. So if you never see me mother you not want to talk.
Hold on. What you saying, do sleep that's all?
But mommy, hey, you know what say? I got a lucky thing say me no give none of me meat. Cause me that feel bad in myself. You know what? Come out of this. And try to say in and done some. This up and talk, man. Jesus, we always stuck up some dog.
Dear man blast after all. Who tell you say you can't see any man a road and carry them in your bed?
Mommy.
They have bad spirit with them. They have demon with them and crosses with them. When they done with you, they left demon in your bed. So they need a good man now when God send in your life, the demon gone upon them. Go and go pray right now.
Mommy.
Pray him out of your bed.
Wait, no, mommy.
Anything when you left in your bed, take it out now. Go take off your sheet off your bed. Take off your sheet, other sheet and sleep on. Take it off. Even if I don't hit, strip the bed naked and put on one different the boy. Let's spirit in your bed, Lord have mercy.
Mommy, show me I look at him as a humble youth. He
Humble?
always humble. Me
Jesus.
don't see him like a dad.
Shut up. Wolf in a sheep clothes. Me tired to tell us say, you have some man out there and some woman out there, them are wolf in a sheep clothes. Be careful of what you're doing. Next time you go see one man and meet one man about the plan for date man and date with man, ask God how you fit choose first. You know what? You remember the dirty clothes them when we did that tell about?
But mommy, wait, no,
The
mommy.
next door neighbor them know out there, so me no want them ears say my house full of dirty clothes. And say, cause you make me come over here. Me no and soap you know because soap you and give me go wash them.
Yeah, mommy, but me I say like how we find out.
I don't want to hear about that crosses boy again.
No,
you know,
mommy, like-
because I ought to go call police now, you know, because him must know the next boy, you know. Because all in my intention now from I feel your man where you dey date. And he know the boy because me mark him face, him never have no mask. But I cannot make out the next one face and me know saying short and thick.
Yeah.
And the boy is strong. If you see him hold me hand and they pull me on the hand and take with the $500 we God bless me with. God I go see me they got me and come here and they pay hungry and me no have no.
Me I say
Me no
is-
have no soap to wash my
What
clothes.
me I
Me
say
have
is,
no.
mommy.
What?
Remember say he realize so we know see him, you know. Me no want he go do nothing good as well with.
Do me anything, a straight a station me they go right now go report it.
Me say,
So when they come for him, then we get all the information from him to find any other criminal. Cause how comes him a walk with? Alright. As me said before, remember me tell you say he ain't touch me. But he must know that little idiot when I
I
walk
say
with
two
where they
of
do
them,
wrongs.
mommy. I two of
The
them.
invigila is bad as the damn thief all when he not touch me, he know about it.
Exactly, and he come in here and pray.
I going
I play this
When you think me fi do
innocent.
me, when you think me fi do report it at station?
You report him, mommy.
Then you know, say sometimes when I go report things that happen to you, the same people then come back and come kill you. When me fi do keep here, me fi go tell the police.
Mommy, you can't keep this.
Me fi tell the police.
Because I could have raped you and I could have lose my life in here.
You mad somebody? You know see me strong. That the boy the me they allow him to carry me go over no house when on grill there or in a no bush with hands and cow each day. You mad? I trick me did one tricky little idiot and carry him go in a hand's nest and cow each.
But wait, the
If you know
mommy.
if he do with him, if me then top from walk and hold up woman and take with woman things and go do what to do man. That boy they not even know me.
Mommy, me
But
just
me when want carry him
remember.
go in a one bush when me know the road where him don't know it. But one next thing come up in a minute so me trick him and run.
Mommy,
He
so
can't do nothing.
just come in on my head. You see, same night,
Mm-hmm.
I'm a call you and he come. When he come, I start explain what happened to me. And he make a phone call and go out a door. But when he come in back, because I ain't sleep, you know, he never tell me what happened. He just say, him out deal with it because them boy don't know who he is. And he never really tell me why in the middle of the scene go outside for how long.
Misogynal. But if I did take second thought and turn back and come over here that night, he couldn't sleep here. But anyway, one at a time when we see one another, we finish the conversation. Me have to go in no cause right now. Me go walk and beg money to buy soap to wash and dirty clothes.
Mommy,
Because me no want.
soap there in the kitchen. If you beg soap, then you get embarrassed. You say you pick your big soap.
So me beg soap, I embarrassment.
Yes, mommy, you can't have that on a big soap.
Better say if you ask what you want, it better me ask more than me thief. You want to yes, your mama thief. Better you yes, your mama beg like a one.
Just walk safe around and call me when you reach up.
Me, friend, then do that to me. Me no walk so me walk with Jesus. Nobody can do me.
Alright, mommy.
choices, yeah. Oh, yeah. My brother, my friend, the money I spend, I ain't getting confused with mystery. Whatever I choose is my victory today. I ain't getting confused, no. I gotta get my way, because time now is by nobody. So me now waste time with nobody. I me now go a jail for nobody. Anything want me burn, I feel her body. Not say you can't this, but I verbally. You better know that is my choice. Ooh.
Bad boy, why pray?
Fine, brother.
You don't know me turn already, brother.
Brother, if you ever knew what happened to me the other day,
Oh, go on.
you know, say me go back over a girl yard and me see woman wear up her mother. And me never know you.
Me bombard. I lie at you.
Real, me tell her you.
So watch ya. You just meet a girl and me I do my work and go rob the girl mother. So you say I go on dirt?
Brother, right now she have come in name gas station.
You know you say we have to do something, you know, because you know me come down already, you know. I don't like evidence left, you know.
No man, me no in them thing there. But say my father is a man of law, you know. So me can't in them thing there, brother. All me I try talk to the ladies and no me, and you. No, listen. I say me did it too. I say no. I usually hang up on the corner. So me I walk past and I no know you.
You sell me up, bad man.
I no sell out.
Yo, watch you know. Remember saying, we're a friend for a long time, you see me? So no bother go sell me out, you know, because I know your father come down already, you know.
Same thing me tell you. All him not even know what me go tell him.
Just don't sell me out.
Boy, right now I'm stressed out.
So what you go do?
I don't know what I mean, right? Because they must say me see everything will happen.
Brother, what you mean you don't know what you go do? Right now you get me fully corrupt in a youth. If a man a forward from so far, me and your friend from little baby space, so, and you want to sell me out youth?
I'm not sell out.
Yo, better you go on go cool out you, go all arrest. You know say sky bleaky. Go on man and just fix up your business and link me back.
Alright, I'm sorry.
Me and your friends saying about just do right, just easy from a little bit and fix your business. Hello. You know what you do for me? When you come give me a link, you know, because right now some things are going on and I really don't understand. You didn't hear your brother I send something to your father, like, with the situation are going. Just come give me a check for my end. Boy, right now I pay foolish again. You see me, I remember saying me and you and your brother grew up. I say what they do a little thing, but now I talk about that still, but your brother did tell your father nothing?
What I talk about? Me no I talk about cause daddy look for him from and daddy can't find him. I trouble him, you know?
Okay, you don't hear nothing. But I can stay this then. What's the mean normally play a dollar house and we do it thing? Wait the thing still can go on?
No, that really come from down there so far. Man later.
You know easy, you know. No if you catch it still.
Get there. Around 12 time I try.
Because why? You say Evelyn? Me no in a no talking with about no Evelyn. Because why? You think me no mark your face? Me mark your face and you and the next little raper one did they try to hold me down the day. You agree with him.
Yeah,
Me know you
listen.
never touch me. But how comes you turn up one side and not sitting like you there watch you see if nobody they come to soon? No? And what happen?
And not that happen. Listen, right now I'm stressed out. Cause me never agree with what I do. And that's why you see me even walk go down. Me never agree with what I do. Alright now me all call the daughter and me not even get her.
Little boy, let me tell you something. One thing. Me no just drop piece of stick and lick in your face. You know, say me no believe you. So you never involved in it. Not because you go one side. You can't in it too. But guess what? Me take it in consideration, you know. You know? Me just take it in consideration and they wonder if you're in there or if you're not in there. Because him can they do the action and you stand up and watch. But me just, you know what? You could have my son too. You could have been my son too, so maybe a true you they talk. Maybe a true.
Shoot me I tell you.
The little dirty short boy where me could even see face. Who him underneath the mask?
I say me no know. Me just dig there in a sticky situation and make a wrong choice. And realize that choices them when me make that gonna be me downfall right now. But me like your daughter, me genuinely like her.
You like for me daughter.
Yeah.
And you in a them the kind of company there. So you want to lead my daughter astray. Or you want to come breed my daughter and run lefty. And make it depend me one. Without a daddy. You working?
Me no get no work here, but me a work on it.
You working on it? Where the work on? My daughter or the work? Where you working on? Make sure say if I'm my daughter you the work on you use protection. You hear me?
Yeah.
Because if you not working right now, it no make no sense to come bring no baby, yes sir. Because me no have neither see the last $500 that your friend Tiffy. And me hungry. You understand? I'll know me hungry. So me no know that they go. You see, anytime you get a work, make sure you carry that $500 they come give me. All you know you did take it because your friend. You and him a walk. The inveigle is bad as the thief. You hear me? So know you learn. Cause me don't forgive you. You want come in and feel me daughter life. That means that you going to be my what? Son-in-law. So now you have to come out of them kind of company. They come in and want them the kind of breed they in for me family. Because if you breed my daughter and give her whether son or daughter, it's going to be a granddaughter or a grandson for me. And me no want my grandpitney come to no thief, no killer, nor no raper man. You understand? Cut out the violence. Come out of them company. They don't fit you. You're a nice little boy. And you look very nice and decent too. Me no know you end up in a them the kind of friend eh?
Boy, I no like say more day night, but my father police, you know, so me can't involve in a certain things. Not really true, my father police, you know, but me personally, me no like the violence. Me no like them things. So that's why me say me like your daughter, and me would have treat her good. No like how my friend treat you. Cause me I tell him say me what you ma do? Cause me not tell you say me not agree with it.
Tugga, you feel say me no know your name through me as a little boy. Let me tell you something. Tugga, listen this. You look like a one humble person. You look very nice. And for you go carry down shame and disgrace from your father and him a police. Eh? Listen to me, you see police, they don't like when them pick me bad. They want them pick me come out the best way in a life, just like how them come out successful in life. Or in our life. So guess what? You see when you they were the wrong there and they do the wrong with the wrong, even though you didn't do it, me just show you something for you understand. Because all when you don't do it, when you're there with the wrong there, it's like you're doing it too.
Yeah.
So when you're there with the wrong there, all when you're not wrong, you're wrong. You understand? So you have to take the blame, say you're wrong because you're shivering at them the kind of company there. Maybe you are your friend and you never know say you're mistake. Because you know, me understand you're a big woman. You can have friends for lifetime. And them are wicked. Them are evil somebody. And you and them are friend and you never know. Because when they're around them, they not be a certain type of way. So me understand. So me give you a chance. But I hope when you and my daughter get in more, you not treat my daughter or your friend when they try to do me.
I understand everything what you have said. Everything I understand. You understand me as a candy?
Oi. Oi. Hold on panda lip there and that tongue there when your
Sorry,
stupid
Miss
mouth.
Candy.
Who you
Sorry,
call
Miss-
Candy?
Sorry, Miss Candy.
You feel say me your size little boy? So through your date my daughter, you feel say you can contact me
No,
now.
I slip my mouth slip, sorry.
Your mouth slip. Put on a grip on it.
Sorry,
Put
Miss
on a
Candy.
grip on it, not because you date me that you feel say you can come style me and talk to me anyhow. Miss Candy for you.
That's Miss Candy.
Okay. Go ahead and tell me what you want to tell me now.
As me I say, me genuinely love your daughter. Genuinely like her, me don't want to lose her.
Okay. Don't worry yourself. Continue call her and see if she will answer the phone. And me go talk to her for you.
Yeah.
But make sure say it's not like your friend. As some women they go, my friend, me see you sit down on the roadside. Where you there,
Yeah, so me always there.
on the roadside. I make you end up in a bad company. Think about it. Make her up my business.
Alright, Miss Candy.
Yeah. Making my choices, yeah. Oh, yeah. My brother, my friend, the money I spend. I ain't getting confused with mystery. Whatever I choose is my victory today. I ain't getting confused, no. I gotta get my way because time now is for nobody. So me now is time for nobody.
Hey, Musa.
Serve.
Hey, Musa Shaka.
Who you bother me for? Can't start me?
Musa, me call you from when?
Me no want you call me.
That Musa, man, I'm telling you the truth. Saying me never involved in it, me never agree with it.
You still come with the foolishness. All you call me phone, me not answer. You still they call me phone. You know you say me done with you. Me no want nothing to do with you. You're deaf. Leave me alone, you see, you hear?
Me I see your mother and me tell your mother the truth and me never agree with it. And him, and it's this situation me never agree, me not do nothing. For sure. I mean, you know some father police.
I like your father police. Me never know that. And you are roll with thief and fear father police.
You know time I make some mistake.
Well, this a mistake, yeah. Nah, nothing to do with me. You betray me, and that not go happen again. You do it once, you not go do it twice. As me say, more you see me and leave me alone. Look how all you dey look me not pay no mind. The one little chance me give you, not even one good time, and you forget it. And you know the worst part where really burn me, you come the night and I pretend like everything alright, and you know what you do. If you never agree with it, what make you did it? If you never agree with it,
I'm to stop him and do what I do. Me just there to stay on one side. Isn't me just there wrong place at wrong time. Sometimes you make some mistake. You see me? I eat follow you back in the long run, so that means me never agree.
you know where this a mistake you do, you lose me. So you must learn now to keep yourself to yourself. They say show me who your friend is, and I may know who you be. Keep yourself to yourself next time, so next time you will learn. And by the way, me ask you a question. The night, when time after everything happened, I'ma call you. Me see you make a phone call, and who you call? And where you did go?
I want my friend them me call to go help me with the situation.
Are the same big belly boy?
No, him.
Hey, nothing when you say me not believe in. Nothing when you say me no believe because you lie and wicked.
I'm not telling the truth.
So where you come from now? Where you want to see me for? Where you want to talk to me about?
Man, get things right with you. Man, straighten up back things. Then you must have really rate it.
The only way you can get back this half year, you know, if you're born again. Cause that way you do, I'm afraid of you. Me not lie. What happened to my mother? Oh my God. Suppose the man did the way that tell me say, you know?
You never know say your mother either.
Oh.
You see how I well want this work. If not we start over, I will just be friends. Cause I can't see myself without it. I swear. So you say?
When me say, answer, we can be friends, you know, but our friends just stay because we notice you don't know young boy nowadays. When we say friend, I'm not really friend in the mean, but let's see how it goes.
Alright, I'm going to go and come on and say alright, night and day. I'm so far, yeah?
Yeah, man. Hey, serve. Send me a strong drink of rum there.
Oh, like you full of stress, man.
I don't know what to that the boy there.
You wanna ask her over there, sitting there, go on in your life, you know, careful in a mirror.
Officer Ramsey, we can talk to you a little bit, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Officer Ramsey, me come to lay down a radam complaint about a wicked, heartless, devious radam man. You know, say that evening me a walk up the road and me see somebody coming in one short, thick youth. His face cover, me no see his face good and him a walk with one tall, slim black youth. That the one that have a no mask. The tall one, he no touch me none tall. Him step go one side go stand up. But you see the short one, we have on the mask. You know saying come grab on for me and then take me $500.
Oh,
and
yeah,
they drum if you can me go over one house where some grill there. That's how me did reach. One pull me no know if I'm yard or away. Or he go over there all the while and do people so. But Officer Ramsey, I over there so he did one rather than me. And you know say me tell him boy say, you know me have to tell him, hey, you know say, you better you can't go up a one bush up so. When me go prefer to give him in the bush. Where the courage and the ants them there.
Oh, yeah, said to me.
Yes, and he grab me $500. That's when he hear about the courage and the ants. Mrs. says a dirty boy. Cause the boy willing to make me carry him. Go he in the bush when he did one draw me go for a long time. If he go give my body. If you do
Oh, yeah.
I trick him. How me if go in the bush go give man things in a hand's nest and courage. Just say my idiot all doing try to rob me and when you want to come do things to me.
So you don't know none of them?
Me no know them are the first me they see that the short thick boy there. Me don't go see him body a matter of fact. Me no see him face. So me can't tell you how. But all I know, this situation is a random situation and you have to go know if you deal with it because the boy is a wicked boy.
Alright, man.
You see the tall one? Me see him face, you know, anywhere me see him right now, me can point him out because me mark his face. But he never touch me. But I must see him friend, why am I walk with him? I'm friend because he turn up and wait for him till he take up my money and they ring up me and I want to draw me go away.
So, wait, from when you say that happened?
In the evening.
Today?
Yes, from the evening, yeah.
Alright, me have some colleague on the road, so I will call them.
I never say yesterday evening or this evening, me chatting on. When I say in the evening, I mean this evening, today, this a day, you know other day, this day.
Alright, man. Me have some colleague on the road that patrol right now, so I will call them and make them do some investigation.
Officer Ramsey, we can tell you something? You know, say if I did allow that boy to carry me go in the bush, I would have rather me. And me know me
What you
couldn't,
say to me?
me know me couldn't take it, so me just trick him and tell him, say one police they come down the road. Me say, look there, a police that, as in let me up, me just run off. As so comes me get way, it's how that radam, would have that dead body you come pick up.
Alright, man, I deal with the situation. Here, so
Please, sir, me dey beg you because in thinking get way, you know, in feel say get way. And he no know say me come report it, but me dey beg you. Yes, when you catch him, I want you rather him. You know, do nobody else again. You know, say me did hungry that day and he take me $500. I want him back.
Alright, man, hear what?
Still
Hear what? I'll give you my number, so if you have anyone them come in contact again, you call me.
You give me your number, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, thanks very much.
995-3954.
995-3554.
No, 995-3954.
995-3954.
Alright, so just give me a call if you see them in if
995-3554.
No, 995-3954. No, 995-3954.
995-3954.
Just give me a call if you see them any at any location.
Alright, sir.
Alright, man. Have a great evening.
Yes.
Alright.
Please, me I beg you. Look for him for me. He shot and he thick. He always in a mask. Grab him.
Alright,
Yes.
man.
Back
Alright.
him up.
Yeah, man. Alright. Toga, me just get one complaint from a woman, you know. Me don't know if I you know, but you're my son and me know say you're tall. And me know you have a friend who's short like you same way. I hope say I know you right now, you know. I hope say I know you, you know, cause as much as you're my son, you know, as much as me and my son, me broke you up and can go lock you up down a station, you know. Make sure say I know you. Hey, sir, it's right now to me upset right now. Make sure say I know you know. Make sure say I know you hear me say boy. Alright.
Tragic. Yeah. Making my choices, yeah.
Where your brother there?
That independent from man, you see none tall.
Right now, me mad, you know. Somebody just me on the road a while ago and make one complaint. And the description was sound like them. Me not sure if me just a walk I know him, you know. Cause as me I tell you, it's the same for him. As much as my son, me a mash him up and can go lock him up down there. How you want to do? I can't want to carry down shame and disgrace for me.
Well, daddy, me hear something like that from her friend there. I never believe it.
It's based on how me feel right. You go to school friend there?
No, daddy.
What make you not go to school?
Because you never left no lunch money.
Me left money on the table. Me left money on the table for you to go to school.
Well,
you know, give me a phone. Go and find something do.
But daddy, we not.
Go and go find something do.
Choices. Bar with me, I go bar with you. Shoot off for me, I go shoot off for you. Your choice. Tragic.
Yo, I want that me say though, because I know daddy I look for you.
Me?
No, me.
What me do?
Me say I see for a flying girl picnic.
No go so man.
And you know daddy all again knows nothing go so.
Where that is?
Imran, I had a wait for you.
Why?
Even daddy.
You see, that's the hardest thing, you know. I feel be a father and a person, a part of the law at the same time. And you see right now, if you lucky say, me drop asleep. You see if me never drop asleep, I'm in a one different mood right now. I'm looking at my face when I talk to you. Looking at me here when I talk to you. You see, the lucky say, me calm. They on the road today. And somebody come to me and make a complaint. I'm not sure if I you, But you see, based on the description I get, I want to know if you go on with nothing recently. You see, if you look in my face when I talk to you, look in my face. Someone have to be honest with me and tell me face side of the story.
He's not a troublesome youth. Just the wrong place at wrong time.
You're not supposed to do. That means you know something then.
No, Daddy, I don't know nothing.
As much as you are my son, me carry down there to lock you up. As much as you are my son. So you need to start talk up.
But Daddy, I don't do nothing. I just say me the wrong place at wrong time. You know me always sit down out there, sir.
So, at that me say I go to school for 6 on the roadside.
I must see holiday now.
I'll find something to my police station for you to do. Because me don't want to hear, me don't want to hear nobody nothing. Me say if you look for me when me I talk to you, I want you be honest with me, You say you're at the wrong place at the wrong time. That means that you know something. You see, anytime them boy they come for you, me and them boy they come for you.
What Daddy, me say me don't know.
Me say, you tell me say you don't know when you don't say you're at the wrong place at the wrong time, that means that you know something. And you gotta tell me where you know. Before me get just sticking us up on you. You know talk. Looking at my face, me say.
Daddy, me and my friend a walk from up the road. And in there tell me say he want some money. At the same time one lady a walk. And he said, go and walk. So me never know why in there do. Saying they go rob a woman for real. So me, a woman see my face, And that's why you hear say me involved in something. But me not even know about. Because me not do nothing. So just that, Daddy. Me name a call pan. Me not do nothing.
Boy, me don't know if you respond to that, What your boy name?
Puppy name, Daddy.
You know another name?
Me no know.
Your friend. And you know your friend other name?
Think a Howell. Howell and last name.
Me say if you looking at my face when you talk to me. What your friend name?
Howell and last name, Daddy. I don't really know a real name to that. A puppy me know him as.
You all are not go to school together. You all are no.
Me in the same class.
You tell me say you don't know his first name.
Me don't know.
Yo, me say, you get me dark, You get me dark,
Me don't know him.
What his first name?
Me don't know him.
What you want? Do you want to take what you forget?
Me don't know.
You want to take what you forget?
Me don't know that. Me say me don't know his first name.
Come on, type it. Come on. Go find something I have to do. And don't let me hear say it's back here, there.
Me say me don't know.
Don't let me hear say it's back the yard.
Tragic. Yeah. Making my choices, yeah. Oh, yeah. My brother, my friend.
Hello. You say not to call my phone. Why you continue to call me? Hello. Hello, me no want hear nothing. Stop call me phone. It done. You not understand what I mean by done? Stop call me phone. You betray me. I'm very disappointed in you, and even if me do forgive you, nothing can't make we go back close like how we did close. Me give you one chance, and you betray me. Come here, mommy. Don't call up my phone.
Why you look so?
No, you idiot call me.
I'm not calling for.
Me no know. Tell him say me no want you call me phone.
Okay. I come make one look for you. You don't have no food you want to eat or nothing.
Me just make some soup, you know. You want some?
Alright. Give me some cause me hungry. I don't eat nothing from morning.
Alright, sit down.
Hungry, kill me girl. Boy, I'm tired. No for me I walk from coming on off here.
Take time while you hot.
Thank you very much, my daughter. Sit down right here, so.
I want no mommy.
Wait there, they burn me, man. You couldn't give me one plate or something to put in, so you go treat your man them. Eh? Thank you very much. Anyway, what kind of soup is?
Chicken.
What kind of chicken? You sure say chicken you buy?
So mommy, what if you buy?
Then look how much things look like chicken and we say chicken.
Yeah.
Anyway, cut long story short.
Mm-hmm.
I see a policeman and I talk to the policeman about the situation.
That's good. So what you say?
He said I go investigate the matter.
Okay. Sound good.
And talk to me about it because remember say he don't know who me they talk, you know. Me just see him and pass and see him in a one shot, but you me know him long time.
Oh.
You don't know Officer Ramsey?
Officer Ramsey.
Yes, Officer Ramsey.
Oh, Miss Jean's son, return police other day.
No, my daughter. I know that there's somebody there with you they talk. Officer Ramsey, we know you. I'm a big man. You was a child. Now you grew up. You maybe not remember him. But the person who me they talk, I see him and I make a report to him. So him say I go investigate and get back to me.
I hope you investigate so we can get the solution and make them go the way they go.
Radam, straight.
And then I get away with it, so.
Nah, get away with it.
You know what me
I
think?
mean, nah give up because if Officer Ramsey thinking can me and say, him I go investigate and get back to me. And when me look, me not see him come. You know who I go and go to?
Who?
You don't know who?
Who?
Nah, tell you fast, guess what you see, no? When you did small, me tell you, if you keep your mouth, everything me tell you, go tell people. Me not tell you, because like more you all go no mind job, you tell Tom and tell Dick and tell Harry and you end up. So till the same, somebody them know and police we look for and find and lock up them backside them ear and run away. Me will keep this to myself. Me know me go to about it. Anyway, but me that you can cook, man, it tastes real good.
Mommy, you are going like you don't know so they can cook so.
Me know say you can cook, man, but a long time I don't eat out of your hand, you know, it tastes real damn good. I go and come back again. They say when you go have people you go eat, you don't have to wash your hand. You have to wipe your hand on your foot. So every time they cook your kitchen. So two me want catch up at all the while, me not bother wash my hand, me coming back again.
Alright then mommy, me I go eat there so me can go sleep.
Yes, man, go and go sleep. When me done, me just put on your plate. You can wash out in me soon gone.
Alright.
Here then. But a part of me to drink with soup.
You forgot.
You know no spoon.
Put the plate in your head, man. I don't look this
You have mercy, country style. You make soup give your mother. And before you hand me a spoon, you give me a fork. I did this style. No worry yourself. It's me work to do. I'm not going to tell your neighbor. Yes, damn good. You know, so I can't eat no more. Me have to go run you now. You understand?
Yeah, I go with
You
it.
go. Alright, me carry, but you don't know cover.
Yeah, cover around it.
Alright, later. Later, man, later. When time you got it, that's too much video. Too much. So, later, man, you know you miss me, you know, but I'll come back again.
Yeah.
So what, my girl? My day. So, you know, by the first time I party them, yes, summer.
Yeah, what you mean?
You know, them other some clothes can she go, but then I reach it, you know. Mr. Girl, a peer man is going for me, right? I'm not if you can trust my brother, girl.
What one?
Watch it, speak of the devil.
Why cool?
Then I'm have something for tell you.
Me here what one?
So come on, tell you now. Girl, I'm so cool.
Yo, we talking fast, I know my badness come down in a car, you know.
So what do you know? Come in the yard. And Mr. Kaido. Nobody in there tackle brother. Ask the something about you must say if you get put them must have duck shot. I want to something in there. Eh?
But you know, and I like how you make it sound. You know, that extra. Normal pre-man, you see me? But you know, you see your brother, far me and him a come from me. And you say I move like him let me down. I mean I like them move there.
Well, I don't know my business that you know. But I don't care the camp and what here. And if they want it full 100, somebody else tell me I kill that. Anyone else get some information. But only thing I can tell you, take care of myself. Or
Respect, you know. But remember, you know, see me.
Take long here?
I can't smell my brother, man. Say now, guy, yard. From there, so. I don't feel go home, man.
Where you do with that, so?
Daddy,
Go in the yard.
Daddy,
Me said go in the yard.
alright. My girl, I say your father talk to you.
Me said go in the yard.
Daddy,
You see all you? If you lucky, so me off duty tonight, you know. Boy, you have my daughter up on the roadside and you bang around. Get up!
Go on, officer.
Don't move, you know. So, are you the man where you know place have the problem?
Yeah, you know problem.
What you mean you have the problem?
Officer, white shirt, this one.
Good on, good on. Yeah. Hey boy, don't walk too hard, you know. Me flow you say no boy, like you meet to come here.
Yeah man, thanks for returning the favor here.
Go so.
Tragic. Yeah. Making my choices, yeah. Oh, yeah. My brother, my friend. The money I spend. I ain't getting confused with mystery. Whatever I choose is my victory today. I ain't getting confused, no. I gotta get my way, because time now wait for nobody. So me now waste time with nobody. I me now go a jail for nobody. Anything when me burn I feel her body. Not say you can't this but a verbally. You better know that is my choice.